your motion to remand Mr. Rosa to the Miami-Dade Regional Juvenile Detention Center. I've given you an opportunity to present facts to support the allegations that were in your memorandum filed on November 17. We did have an earlier hearing where you presented some witnesses. To start off, the date of that hearing?
December 1st.
I think you're right. We heard from a number of people.
Judge, it was December 5. Oh, see, Judge. December 1st, Judge.
December 1st. We heard from Corporal Wims, Evelyn, Cornelius, is it? Maldonado, and a number of your witnesses there. And I afforded you an opportunity to present additional evidence in support of the allegations contained in your memorandum. And I think that's what we're here for. I have one other motion that I filed a week ago, but I haven't heard anything about it. It's a motion to a motion for protection. But we'll deal with that after we hear this. Motion for transfer. Do you have evidence you want to present today, Mr. Lewis?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Calling next witness.
At this time, the defense would recall Mr. Wims.
Corporal Wims. Okay.
Yes, I'm here.
All right, I'm going to ask you to start your video, sir. All right. Can you tell us your name again, sir, for the record?
Sarah Wims.
All right. Are you a corporal?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good enough. All right, so I previously sworn you, but I'm going to do it again. Could you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm the testimony you give today will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir. You may proceed, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. Can we give Nick Rodriguez, who's on Zoom, access to share his screen, Your Honor, please?
You know what? It makes it a little bit difficult to do all of that. But because I've got a witness on the screen.
And we'd like to invoke the rule, Your Honor.
Mayor, does that include, has previously they've indicated that the defendant's father, who's in the gallery, might be a witness as well as the bear mother, so they're invoking the rule of sequestration. I'm assuming that's what they're referring to.
Do you anticipate calling, do you have any witnesses that you may call in the room?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, I rely upon counsel to make sure any witnesses that you have that may testify are not present during the testimony of others. Now, are there people on the Zoom screen that you anticipate who will be called as witnesses?
I'm not sure if it's on Zoom, Your Honor.
No, let's check. Take a look. You all have a screen to look at. If you can
Yes.
monitor up here.
I believe they've subpoenaed Sandra Orozco, who's on the Zoom, Judge. I don't know who that is, but who's on the Zoom? I don't know who these other people, some of these people are.
Well, let's work as best we can. I mean, this is new technology, and I think what we want to do is have the witnesses who are on the screen, all of us in the breakout room until we need to call. What do you think, Mr. Yellow? Anybody you can identify here that we need to ask to go into a breakout room?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Only Miss Sandra Orozco.
Okay. And Mr. Orozco, can you hear me?
Yes, Your Honor.
Hi, Mr. Orozco. We have, you're over at Jackson Health. Nice to see you.
Yes.
Have you been in court before?
Never.
Okay. Well, one of the things we do is we don't let witnesses hear other witnesses' testimony. We don't want it influenced by anybody. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Can you tell me what Mr. Orozco is appearing for?
We haven't subpoenaed anybody today.
How about you guys? Can you tell me why Mr. Orozco's on our screen?
Yes, Your Honor. Ms. Orozco is part of the CHS team, and she is one of the persons that works with Dr. Bedica, who is also testifying this morning or this afternoon, whenever we get to her. And she has seen our client, and I believe that her testimony is very relevant to the last piece of information that Your Honor wanted to present in this evidentiary hearing, which is his current state of mind, how that could possibly be exacerbated by the conditions that he's being housed under, and things of that nature.
Okay, well, we're about to hear evidence from someone about the conditions under which he's housed, which I imagine will be important for someone who's rendering an opinion with regard to state of mind to have the actual accurate facts at hand. Might help them to actually round out their opinion. I'm inclined to allow her to remain.
We don't really have an objection to that. It's just that Corporal Wims testified in detail about so many of those things in the last hearing. I'm not sure why he's being recalled. I don't know how much of that
Well,
will
we'll
come
find out. We'll find that out
That's
in a
fine.
moment. But
Yes, sir.
I'm going to excuse her from the rule of sequestration because everything I think I want her to know what Corporal Wims has to say.
And Your Honor, the only witness we anticipate maybe using is Detective Velocity. I just sent him a message, but in the event I don't notice when he walks in, I just told him to
Well,
wait
in
for
my
the
discretion, I'm
cafeteria.
going to release him from the rule as well.
Okay, great.
Okay, I mean, he's the one law enforcement officer who has most knowledge about all of the events and statements from all of the individuals throughout this case. For purposes of this hearing, utilizing the discretion that's afforded to me under 90 point, help me out, is it 916? Yes. That's right. I'm going to go ahead and excuse him. All right, you have Corporal Wims. He has been sworn. Let me spotlight him so that everybody can see him well. And there you go. You may inquire, counsel.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good morning, Corporal Wims.
Good morning, sir.
Before I begin, is there anyone in the room with you?
No. There isn't. Let's see. No.
Okay. Corporal, when we were last here on December 1st, I know you testified as to a lot of specifics regarding Derek's housing. Has there been an update to his level or status since that hearing?
No. I think the last time we spoke, I believe I told you that he was a level 3. And he's still a level 3. And he's still doing fine. He's still coming out for recreation, still eating, still doing group.
Have there been any issues since December 1st?
Issues with him?
Yes.
No issues. Like I say, Rose is very compliant.
You testified at the last hearing that the training for your unit was ongoing. Have you had any training since December 1st?
Like I stated, one of the officers from TGK that had been in the juvenile unit for some years, he's actually stationed here now. So, like I say, the training is still ongoing.
And when you say ongoing, what type of training have you received since this?